Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify time series data completeness using profit checks, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify time series data completeness using profit checks, start by ensuring you have the required libraries installed. Install the necessary libraries if you haven't already. You can use pip to install profit and other dependencies. Import required libraries into your Python environment. Load your dataset into a pandas data frame. Check the structure of your data frame to ensure it's in the correct format. Verify that your time series data has a datetime index. If the index is not in datetime format, convert it using pandas. Check for any missing values in your dataset. Fill or interpolate missing values if necessary to maintain continuity. Once the data is clean, initialize the profit model. Fit the model to your complete dataset. Generate future predictions based on your existing data. Plot the results to visualize the forecast and the original data. Review the plot for any anomalies or gaps in the data. Evaluate the uncertainties in the model by looking at the confidence intervals. Ensure that the forecast accurately reflects the patterns in your original time series. If there are any discrepancies, consider revising your dataset for errors. Repeat the verification process using various approaches to ensure robustness. With this, you can confirm the completeness and reliability of your time series data using profit checks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.